Hello friends, happy 2025. You are welcome to the new year. It's Deborah Dixon, your foundational mathematics coach, your children's favorite maths teacher. Stay tuned. Today, before me, I have the topic cube roots. Cube roots. What's the meaning of cube roots? Cube root is the opposite of cube. For example, if I have cube root of 8 and it's 2 and I want to find the cube of 2, it will be 8. So it's exactly the opposite of cube. So now we continue with the division. What are we going to do? We are going to be doing exactly what we did in square root. We are going to be dividing the number repeatedly by prime numbers that can divide it. So any prime number that can divide it, you keep using it to divide till it can no more divide, then you move to the next one. Let's start. 64 divided by 2 is 32. 32 divided by 2 is 16. 16 divided by 2 is 8. 8 divided by 2 is 4. 4 divided by 2 is 2. 2 divided by 2 is 1. So next thing, the difference between square root and cube root is this. For square root, we divided the number into two places. We divided the number into groups, and each of the groups contained two digits, two prime numbers. But for cube roots, we are going to divide it into groups of threes. Each of the group will contain 3 prime numbers, and each of the groups must have exactly the same thing. So this is a group, for example. So we have group of 2s and we have another group of 2s. By the time I'm explaining 216, because I know someone is wondering, is it will always be group of 2s, will always be group of 3s? You will soon see that it may not always be the same. So we have group of 2s containing 2s, and then we have another group of 2s. Each of these group will donate one of its group members because they contain the same thing. So 2, which will be multiplied by each other. So 2 times 2 is 4. So the cube root of 64 is 4. Thanks. Let's continue. Now we move to cube root of 216. The first prime number that can divide 216 is 2. So we divide by 2 to get 108. We divide by 2 again to get 54. We divide by 2 again to get 27. Next thing I can divide is 3 to get 9. Again 3 to get 3. Again 3 to get 1. Now we have 2s. We divide into two groups. We can get 2 groups from here as well. It can be more than 2 groups. Let me note it. But make sure that each of the groups contain 3 numbers. And in each of the groups we have 3 numbers. So each group will donate one of them. Multiply whatever is donated. 2 times 3 is 6. So the cube root of 216 is 6. Thanks for your time. God bless you.